Hi, my name is Rami. I am a developer at Flow Designer, and today I'm going to show you how to create a simple Hello World application and deploy it to the cloud using Flow Designer. So first of all, we need to create a project. We need to either click this or this yellow circles. And this dialog opens. We're going to give it a name. This is a simple description, and we're going to leave everything else as is. Clicking the create area here, and creating the project usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so let's take a look for a second at the development area or the portal. So this area here is the canvas. This is where we create our applications. And this area here is the node palette. These guys are nodes, and nodes are basically software components that perform actions. They are the building blocks of Flow applications, and they are categorized by characteristics. Like these are input nodes, and if we scroll down, we can see under here output nodes, and further these are function nodes, etc. And I can search for a node, a specific node, or nodes with the same partial string by typing the name here. And now what I'm going to do is search for a function node. And I'm dragging this node to the canvas. And now I'm going to search for a debug node. So debug nodes are nodes that help us debug. They print messages to the bottom of the screen. You're going to see it in a few seconds. And what I'm going to do is connect these nodes here. So I've connected the output socket of the function node to the input socket of the debug node. And what I'm going to do is give this node a payload to be printed to the debug area. Okay, so nodes basically communicate with each other by passing a JavaScript message object. And now, okay, basically we have our application, and let's deploy it to the cloud. We do it by clicking here. This usually takes, again, 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so now our application is deployed on the cloud. Let me just open the debug area. And what I'm going to do is inject the first message to this node by clicking this button. And what's going to happen is that the payload that I've written is going to be passed to this node. This line represents passing of message from this node to this one. So, hello world. Our application is working. Okay, so let's say that I want to change the printed message. So I double click here. I change it to hello from Flow. And I can deploy it in a second because my application is already deployed on the cloud. So after that, every change that I do, most of the changes take a second to redeploy. And now I'm going to delete this debug area. Let's click again. Hello from Flow. So That's it for now. Thank you very much.